Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I am going to guide you on how you can fix your Messenger's calling problem. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now maybe when you open your Messenger app and you're actually trying to make a call to somebody, but then you can't actually call that person, maybe you are not being able to call anybody. The first thing I would simply recommend is that if you watch other videos, they first tell you to go and update the app, try to reset the Messenger app. I'm not going to tell you to do any of that. The only reason your Messenger call is not working properly is because your Messenger app is actually lacking the microphone permissions on the Messenger app. So make sure you have allowed that permission from your settings. So in order to allow all of the permissions from the app, you are going to simply open settings right over here. And once we go to settings, we are going to look for the option called apps right over here. As we go to apps, here we want to look for the app called Messenger. So go ahead and look for the application called Messenger. And once we go to Messenger option right over here at the top, you'll find an option called permissions. We want to simply go to permissions and make sure that we have actually enabled the video and the microphone as well as the phone permissions. So make sure you tap on microphone, you tap on allow. If it is set to not allow, then your Messenger app will not be able to make calls. So one is the microphone, the other is also the simple phone permission. You want to simply tap and allow, and then go ahead. Now come back to Messenger app. You also, if you are trying to make a video call, you also want to make sure that you have the camera permissions allowed. Tap and allow, and then come back and go ahead and try to make a call. Most probably 99% of the time this could actually be your issue. Now if this didn't work, then the other thing you can do is now you can go ahead and try to actually clear the storage and clear the data of the Messenger app. Once you clear your data and reset the Messenger app, you want to reopen and simply allow all of the permissions whenever the application asks you for a prompt up. For example, it may ask you, Messenger is asking to read photos or allow calls, and you want to simply tap and allow, and then allow all of the permissions whichever the app requires, and see whether that has fixed your issue or not. So we hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, then also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you soon in our next video.